macOS driver installation for macOS version 10.15x or later. The following driver installation steps apply to the gofanco USB 3 HDMI, USB 3 DVI. Connect the USB adapter to your system's USB port. To download the driver, type in displaylink.com on your browser. Click on Downloads. Click on macOS. Under Display Link Manager, download the latest release driver. Accept End User License Agreement. Locate the downloaded file and install the driver. Follow the prompts to complete driver installation. When the installation is done, Display Link Manager notification will pop up on your screen. Click on Options and choose Allow. Now you can close the installation window and you can move the installer to the trash. After installation, the Display Link Manager app will start automatically and the Display Link Manager logo will show in the menu bar. Go to System Preferences and click on Security and Privacy. Scroll down if necessary and click on the screen recording and unlock the lock pad icon on the lower left corner. Type in your password. Check the checkbox in front of the Display Link Manager icon. When the window pops up, click on Quit and reopen. Lock the lock pad and you can close the security and privacy window. Driver installation is now complete. macOS driver uninstallation. To uninstall, click on the Display Link Manager app and click Quit. Click Quit again to confirm. Open Finder and go to Applications. Remove the software by moving Display Link Manager to the trash. Driver uninstallation is now complete.